Get a scratch pad or something, just come through. Alright, time to tear off some panels. Pretty much, Tundra is pretty easy with your floor mats. Put off this door seal right here. Use one of these squeegees. Get in between it. Alright. There you go. You have your lumen wires right here. Take off these clips that holds the wires. Okay. Grab one of these T30s, right? What you'll do is, there's a door hinge right here, which is a door trigger. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this screw. The reason why we're removing this, so that way it shows you what color wire it is. And this is your negative door trigger for the Tundras. And what on is, see the small skinny wire? You may not have it connected to the door trigger. When the doors open, you see I got 12 volts right here. So these are the two wires that I would splice. I'm gonna go ahead and splice it and join it with some solder. Yeah, just to make sure it works, I'm gonna test it. All right, let's peel this guy off. Let's take a look at this. Testing it, make sure it works. That's it.